Hello everybody, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I want to talk about my Volkswagen Golf 5 again, but not about the tailgate lock this time. That works fairly good, I have to say. I've made a video about that 1 year ago. If you're interested in that, have a look in the info box or down in the video description. Today I want to talk about these gas springs. They are also quite old, and yeah, the tailgate lure doesn't always open up all the way, especially if it's cold outside. Then you can quite hard hit your head against the door. That's not so nice, and therefore I thought I would buy some new gas springs, and yeah, we will replace that today. It should be fairly easy and straightforward, and we will do that together. So let's get started. So therefore we have to use our flathead screwdriver to lift off these metal clips that hold the ball joints of the gas springs shut. First the top one and then the bottom one as well. Now we can pull on the gas spring on the ball joint and unclip the gas spring, first at the top, then at the bottom ball joint. And usually these ball joints are full of old grease. We have to clean that properly to ensure that it functions well. First the top one and then the bottom one as well. And if they are both clean, then we can insert the new gas spring. Usually these have already grease in them. If they don't, it's a good idea to lubricate these ball joints. First we have to put in the bottom one, and then we can put in the top one as well. That can be a little tricky. You have to open the door up all the way and then push firmly to put it in place. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side as well. So remove both of these clips. First the top one and then the bottom one as well. Then we can pull on the gas spring and remove the old one, clean the balls and insert the new one, first the bottom ball joint and then the top one as well. Yeah, so let's see how the gas springs are working. Let's close the door and then open it and see if it's open up all the way. Yes, it does. Very good. It goes in the mechanical and stops at the top position quite hardly at the moment. I guess the springs will decrease in force, and then that will not be the case in a few weeks' time, but we will see, and I will have a look at that. So yeah, that is an interesting point. If you want to replace your gas springs as well, then you can find some affiliate links down in the video description. So if you want to support the channel, then you can use them. That would be very great. I will get a small fee of your purchase, but you don't pay more, so that's a nice way to support the channel. If you do that, thank you very much. If you want to see more kind of this stuff, more things I do, more things I repair, then you can find the newest video up here, another video down there, and you can also round about here subscribe to the channel. And yeah, other than that, I would like to thank you very much for watching. See you in some of the next videos, and until then, take care and bye-bye.